how would you describe the financial or spending habits ba of a typical Filipino that could be improved?
Oh, okay. What I love to always say is, number one, when we do get our hard-earned money, unahin natin like our savings, or your investments, or maybe kung ano yung itatabi mo for yourself. I love the saying that self-love is never selfish. So, for a lot of us kasi, what happens is, di ba, if nandyan na yung sweldo natin, inuuna natin lahat ng expenses. Kung ano yung natira, yun yung savings natin for a rainy day. But why not flip it, 'di ba? Unahin muna natin ano yung para sa atin, which is our savings. Emergency fund mo ba 'yan or for your investment? And then allot all your different monies or allot your different money for your needs, wants. Hulihin mo yung mga wants mo. And my second tip here is when you have a luho spend, ang lagi ko naalala sa kwento ng mom ko when I was a kid, is sabi niya, pag luho yung item na gusto mong bilhin. For example, I love bags, di ba? Kung gusto mong bilhin isang luho na bag, you don't really need it, but you just want it. Dapat you have 10 times of that money, that amount in your savings account or in the bank before you purchase that item. Kasi it's not a need.
10 times. I-multiply mo ng 10 times.
Correct.